Now, some more important practice. These questions don't look that different to what we've just been doing, but they are very subtly different in terms of the signs. So try both questions and then I'll go through the answers with you guys. Pause the video. I'll just wait here.
3 days later.
Okay, I think you're ready to go through it. Now, the first question, we have 1 is less than 2x plus 3, and also 2x plus 3 is less than 5. We're going to do the first inequality on the left first. So take away 3. So I get negative 2 is less than 2x. Divide by 2. So negative 1 is less than x. It looks like a C, so I'll change that to a less than sign. And here, I'm going to take away 3 from both sides. So I get 2x is less than 2. And then divide by 2, so x is less than 1. Put this in a compound inequality. You put x in the middle, you put your smallest number on the left, so that's negative 1, your biggest number on the right, which is 1, and then just make sure everything's in order. So this is going to be x is greater than negative 1, and x is less than 1. So that's our answer for the first one. Hopefully you've got that one. For question 2, this is going to be your answer, and I'll show you the working out in a second. So it should be negative 4 is less than x, and x is less than 2. If you got that correct, you can skip ahead. If you didn't, I'm going to explain it to you. So here, our first inequality is negative 2 is less than negative x, and our second one is negative x is less than 4. So we've got negative x here. So we have two options. We can add x to both sides, and then add 2 to both sides. So it's just going to swap sides, or it can divide by negative 1. I'm going to divide by negative 1. There's no reason why you shouldn't swap sides, so it's just a preference. So negative 2 divided by negative 1 is 2, and negative x divided by negative 1 is just x. Now the sign has to change direction. So that's our first one. Our second inequality, I'm going to do it the other way around now. I'm going to add x to both sides. So then I end up with 0 is less than 4 plus x. And then I'm going to take away 4 from both sides. So this time I don't need to change the direction of the sign. And you'll notice I still get the correct answer. Negative 4 is less than x. So our inequality, remember, we put the smallest number on the left, biggest number on the right, put the x in the middle. So let's make sure we do this correctly. So x has to be less than 2. So x is less than 2. And x has to be greater than negative 4. So it's going to be greater than negative 4. So this is our answer. Obviously that corresponds with what's on the screen here. I'm going to show you 2 more examples here. You are welcome to try these. If you got one of the previous slides wrong, you can try this. Otherwise, you can go ahead to the next exercise. So here are the answers for you. If you've had a go with these questions, you don't have to do these 2 questions, but this is what you should have got. Okay, this is the exercise I want you to do. You're not going to do every question here. I would like you to do a minimum of 3 to 4 questions. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, just try maybe the last few questions. Have a go. I'm going to show you the answers in a second, so pause the video. Okay, so here are the answers. Hopefully you got them all correct. Give yourself a mark out of how many of the questions you did. I think we did it!